Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I'm going to be making something, not for sure what that is yet, but I'm going to be making something with the bargain bead box that I received, and there's a lot of pretty things in here. Kind of digging around here and seeing what I want to use. I like these a lot. I think I'm going to use these for sure. Reminds me of water droplets. And maybe these, I don't know. I'm picking out some of my favorite things. I'll absolutely love this. And my bead caps here. Oh, you know what? I'm thinking, let's see, what are we going to do here? I think I want to make some earrings. I think I want to use these. I'm going to put all this away. These are a link, so we have two holes. Stainless steel. These are really pretty. And then maybe I can just drop a water droplet off the bottom. These are so pretty. I don't want to take them apart. They make a great bracelet, but I'm going to have to take them apart. I need a couple of these. Let's see, where's the end here? Alright, I need two of these. So there's one. And then there's the other one. Put these back before I lose them. And see, I can just take some wire and make a loop and drop them off the bottom there. And I might want to use some of these appetites. Alright, now I've got my ear wires, and I'm using the Spinnacraft 20 gauge aluminum wire that I got from BB Craft. And I'll put a link down in the description box below of where I got this, along with the coupon code to BB Craft, along with the coupon code to Bargain Bead Box. And that'll all be down in the description box. And I figured I'd just take this wire and wire these glass water droplets. First though, I want to check to see if these apatite beads will fit on this wire. I have a feeling they're going to be too small. So let's check this out. I think they're 3 millimeter. Let me just clip that off a little bit. It's hard to see the hole. I don't think it's gonna fit. So we may not be using these. They're too small, so back they go. I need to use a thinner wire for those. But that's okay. These will look good without them. Alright, so I'm going to put the wire into the top drilled hole and just draw up my wire. I do this different than most people do, but I like the look of this. I'm just going to clip off a little bit, and I'm going to cross my wires and then just twist them. I'm crossing the other way. I got to cross the wrong way. There we go. Alright, and then I'm just going to twist, and it will make one wire. And it doesn't necessarily have to be neat and perfect, because you won't be able to tell a difference once I wrap the loop. even this out a little bit here. And it's not going to fit in the hole, so I'm going to need some jump rings. And what size? I would like to use the littlest ones. I'm not for sure if that will be big enough, but we can try them. These are really small. I don't think it's going to work, but it doesn't hurt to try. Right now I'm just going to wrap a loop. And wrap this around probably about 3 times, and then of course tuck the end in so it's not sticking out to scratch the person wearing it. Tuck this in right there. I may have to clip a little bit off. And I just feel to make sure it's not sticking out there. It's fine. Yeah, I think these are going to be too small. So back in these go up a size. And I think I'm going to need 4 of these. Maybe 2, no 4, I don't know. Let's see. We'll go ahead and put 1 in there. Yes, these will work. Isn't that pretty? If you hear any noise in the background, it's my grandkids. They're just playing in there in the other room. So now I'm just going to put another jump ring in the hole, close it up, and let's see if this is going to work. I may need to have another jump ring. Yes, I definitely am going to have another jump ring because it's not going to hang right. So let's open this back up. You know, I wonder if I could just feed. Nope, that's not going to work either. Definitely going to need 2 jump rings up here. Right, put the other jump ring in and close her up and hang it on the ear wire. And then I need to make the other earring. These ear wires are pretty cool because all you do is you hang them on there and then you just squeeze it shut. And there they are, all finished. I really love the way these came out. Very neutral. They'll go great all winter long. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me, and you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.